Solid principles are a set of principles that can guide software developers in writing clean, maintainable, and extensible code. This dependency inversion principle is a design principle that states that high-level modules should depend on abstract rather than concrete implementation, and this will help us to decouple the high-level and low-level modules, make it easier to change the low-level ones without affecting the high-level ones. Now, let's take this example into consideration. We will have a CRUD service that will take a MySQL database that is defined below. We can insert an update, and we want to say something that we have a save function, and if the object doesn't exist, we should insert the object, else we should update. Well, this is a good construction, but it skips a very important thing. What will happen if, for example, we want to have two types of databases in our system? And for example, let's say my Mongo database. Right now, as our CRUD server is dependent on MySQL database, we could not use it. And how can we solve it in a good way, the dependency inversion? Well, we could actually extract as an interface the database with the save option and pass the responsibility to save to every database, to my SQL database and to my Mongo database. And the save functionality where we insert or update should be directly in that specific class. And in our service, we could simply use the generic database, and when we want to save, we should call the save function from that specific database. I hope that now you understand the dependency inversion.